Good morning, children. Today I shall teach you about the explanation of formulae of heating effect of electric current. First of all, we explained about the definition of the heating effect of the electric current. When electric current passes through high resistance wire like as a nichrome and converted into heat energy, then this process is known as heating effect of electric current. We know that the symbol of the heat energy is H. Now we explain about the more formulae of the heating effect of electric current. We know that potential is equal to work done by charge. This work is also equal to the heating effect, means heat energy. It is also denoted by H by Q. So here H is equal to V into Q, means heat energy is equal to potential difference into charge. This is the first formula for the heat energy. Second formula, H is equal to V into Q is equal to V into putting the value of charge Q. We know that the current I is equal to charge flow per unit time taken Q by T. Then Q is equal to IT. So putting the value of Q as like IT, then we get here V into Q is equal to V into IT is equal to VIT. This is the second formula for the heat energy. And third formula, H is equal to VIT, then we put the value of V is equal to IR according to the Ohm's law. Then VIT is equal to IR into IT is equal to I square RT. It is also known as Joule's formula for the heating effect. Joule's formula for heating effect. Heating effect. Now, again we can explain about the formula for the heating effect is equal to H is equal to I square RT. I also represents according to the Ohm's law V by R. V by R. Then I square is equal to V by R whole square into RT. Then we get here V squared by R squared into R into T. One R cancel. Then we get here V squared by R into T. This is the fourth formula. This is the fourth formula. And now fifth formula, H is equal to I squared RT is equal to I squared into putting the value of R means V by I into T, then we cancel it, then we get here VIT. So we also get the in above second formula is VIT. So here we again get the fifth formula, power is equal to work done by time is equal to heat energy by time. So therefore H is equal to P into T. So this is the fifth formula for the heating effect of the electric current. So here we explain about the formulae. All these formulas are used for the solution of the numericals or numericals for the heating effect of the electric current. Question is here, a potential difference of 250 volt volts is applied across a resistance of 500 ohms in an electric iron. Then calculate first current, and in second heat energy produced. Heat energy produced in joule in 10 seconds. In 10 seconds. So here we shall give the solutions. Solution is first solid is here. We can find the current I is equal to what? I is equal to what? Here potential difference PD means V is equal to 250 volts, and resistance R is equal to 500 ohm. Then here we know that here I is equal to V by R. V by R is equal to 250 volt by 500 ohm is equal to 1 by 2 ampere is equal to 0.5 ampere. Now we can find the second question, heating energy. Heat energy means here calculate the heat energy. Calculate the heat energy. So here I is equal to 1 by 2 ampere, R is equal to 500 ohm, and T is equal to, in question given, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Then we can find here H is equal to I squared RT. Then I is given here 1 by 2 ampere squared into R 500 ohm into T means 10 seconds. Then we get here 1 by 4 into 500 into 10 joule, then 2 2 ja 4, 5 2 ja 10, and 250 2 ja 500. Then we get here the 250 into 5 joule is equal to 5 5 ja 25, carry into 5 2 ja 10 in 12 in 1250 joules. So here heat energy is equal to 1250 joules. So we can use the formula of H is equal to I squared RT, and we get here heat energy is equal to 1250 joules. So we can use this formula in solution of the numericals, and we improved on self. Thank you.